to Gino's Garage. We're going to be doing this is a Grohe, or Grohe, whatever, however you say it's German, Ladylux faucet, and our Newell. And this cartridge, I believe the cartridge is what's leaking. So I bought a new cartridge. I'll link Amazon link where I got this cartridge from. Some people said that you could get this. This is a 3mm Allen key. Some people said you could get free parts from Grohe under the lifetime warranty, but they were not helpful to me. They said you had to have a receipt, and obviously this came with the bus, so I don't have a receipt for it. So you remove this little handle here. It's got a little screw there, don't want to lose that. This should pop off of there. It's just a cover. I did open this valve already and I turned off the water pump. So we're gonna have to take this little thing off of here. That's a Phillips head screwdriver. Transfer it to the new one. And then there's two Phillips heads here. Let me get you around where maybe you can see better. So this is where you got to take these two Phillips head screws off of this guy. It's going to dribble a little bit. Napkin under there. Water. Hopefully you can see past my shoulder. That ring is a little different. Guess we're gonna have to reuse. I wonder if that. Interesting. This is gonna have to go back on the new one. This guy goes on here. See here, like that. I guess this kit must be somewhat universal. They're showing this guy here. I don't know if that's correct. We'll give it a shot, see if it'll fit. If it doesn't fit, then we got to put the other one on. Over. No, that's not going to work. Looks like that might be the wrong ring, so we're going to have to just reuse this old ring. Shorter. So there's two little caps here. Looks like you can see the shorter cap. So we got to put the shorter one on there. Should be able to screw this back on. Okay. This guy should go snap back on here. this guy back over the handle. Snug that guy up. So hopefully that'll eliminate. This thing was dripping, would just drip out of this faucet handle. It's not clipping on there very well, is it? Let's see how something is not right there. So I had to go back to the video and realize that I put this little plastic ring on backwards, so these little tits need to go toward the little black ring. That'll allow this cap to go in correctly. Now this should clip on a little better. There we go. Now that's going to stay in position better. And put this guy back on. Do this one more time. All right. Quickly check the functionality of this. Turn on the water pump. You can definitely tell it's stiffer. That's good. So when this thing would sit, we would end up with a little puddle of water under there. So hopefully by replacing the cartridge, the Grohe folks did say that replacing this cartridge would fix that issue. So hopefully that's it. Well, thanks for watching. We finished up this little project in our Newell, but we're also going to have some more Newell content, and as many of you know, we have plenty of Wander Lodge content. So if you're watching our channel and you want to get notifications when we have new videos coming out, you can subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. If you like the videos, give me some feedback and leave a comment and or give me a thumbs up, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching.